Assalamualaikum and good morning to Dr. Sharil and Dr. Delman. This is presentation of Bachelor Degree Project 2. My title is Development of Unmanned Aerial Vehicle for Air Pollution Measurement. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Muhammad Razali. My supervisor name is Professor Madya Dr. Ahmad Anas bin Yusof. Okay, this is 5 table of content. First is motivation. Background of UAV, Unmanned Aerial Vehicle. First, drone can use LiDAR to measure the height of crops. Second, multi-spectral instrument. Third, visual spectrum sensors. Fourth, biological sensor that are air quality sensor reading. So this is the problem statement. I focus on the collecting air quality data near pollution sources is challenging because they are barrier to obtain the air quality data due COVID-19 environment. So unmanned aerial vehicle provide novel technique for air pollution and atmospheric research. This one have a new technology that are make of various function to various type of UAV. Okay, so let's move to objective. I have two objectives. First is to design, fabricated and analyze modular air monitoring sensor printed circuit board for use on unmanned aerial vehicle platform. Second is to perform and analyze air monitoring sensor capability test on flying or fixed wing name or quadcopter unmanned aerial vehicle. This one is my scope. Design and investigate PCB board air quality without wiring any electrical component using conductive task with using of easy EDA software. My output is using from link apps of air quality module. My experiment is focused on the position of PCB air quality module on unmanned aerial vehicle in detecting air pollutant will be used in the measurement. This project is focused on the reading of air quality module that are humidity, temperature and air quality using apps. So there are three literature review. The first one is importance of detecting air quality in emergency using unmanned aerial vehicle. The first is startup and university are developing solution for research and rescue by emerging response team. Second is the Jiang Innovation DJI established an emergency response program last year that giving first respondent that are related to Malaysia and Los Angeles put drone as future works in emergency. The third one is number of Malaysian university have focused on the build ambulance drone that have in existing emergency infrastructure. This picture is about the DJI M210 drone for emergency in detecting air pollution data. The second picture is weapon drone for emergency in detecting enemy. So this one is about the issue on air pollution transport and Sungai Kim Kim and Pasir Gudang incident. Okay, the first lethal poisonous gas positioning happened in 3 West in March 2018. They are related to 5,039 individual cases recorded at 12 schools. So from the using of gas made DX4030, they are present of acrorin, benzene, hydrogen chloride, and D-limonene were detected in the Sungai Kim Kim. The second one is second poisonous gas position event appears to have occurred in 3 West also. They are related to 1,178 individual cases on the 22 schools. So they are gas made. The X4030 also used to identify the gases that are alkaline, metal mercaptan, and benzene. So this picture is about the potential source for air pollution in Pasir Gudang, Johor. So this one is the past related research on air quality monitoring using unmanned aerial vehicle. So the concept of the design of air quality monitoring system is focused on the output on the several hazardous gas like methane, NH2 and smoke. So the data transmission method for real time using of Internet of Things like connection between Arduino microcontroller and the Internet cloud easily can connect through the satellite connection. The third one is sensor location must be performed appropriate with the sensor intake generally positioned away from the propeller. So this picture is about air pollution in Malaysia based on air quality index visual map. So this one is the air quality monitoring hardware and placement of past related research. This one is hardware setup wiring on the experiment board of past research. This one is the air quality module. There are a lot of wiring. So this one is methodology part. So the first one is project development project. On the left side is project of design system. They are focused using easy EDA software like PCB, printed circuit board of my air quality data module. So this on the right side is the project of overall system with the design and the field test. This one is the software design. On the left side is the easy EDA software. The middle is the Arduino software, and the right side is the Blink apps. So this one used to solid work of the casing of the air quality module. So this one is the overall picture, and this one is the each part on the right side. So this one is the drone that I used to test. On the left side is the quadcopter and the flywing. I use either this one or this one. So this is the design of printed circuit of air quality module. On the left side is the rectangle shape in the easy EDA software. This is the circuit design. On the right side is the square shape. So this one is the second design. I have the first design. So this one is the second output. They are the finalized of the PCB air quality module. This on the left side is the square shape. On the right side is the rectangular shape. I focus on the rectangular shape. This will be the improvement module of past research. So this one I told you the first design that I've told you. The left side is the first design of the square shape. On the right side is first design of the rectangular shape. So this one is the casing of air quality module. This one is the side view, and this one is downward view of the PCB air quality module. So result analysis, outcome analysis of the improvement I used of development of air quality module based on to reducing and eliminating the wiring part of each component in the module. So the PCB air quality module have been created to interpret data easily way to change or repair each component if broken, like this temperature easily to broken. The third one is the position of all components is more firmly soldered than those past module assisted by wire. So I have three experiments. First one is the experiment of flywing UAV in static position. Uh, the sensor I will put on the various place in the blink, and this one is using of blink apps. So I do not show the, I will show the sensor placement in the video. So this one is the experiment between air quality sensor with the charcoal burning that produce smoke that blow direct to sensor via wind from the fan is on. On the right side is the output. They are the unhealthy and bad because large amount of smoke that produce charcoal burning to make around surrounding bad. They are 618 ppm that show the bad of air. So this one is the second experiment. The experiment also I use four places sensor selection. I show in the video. So this one is experiment of equality without the charcoal burning. Okay, so on the right side is the output. This one will go to the quality of air will be good and healthy because there are no smoke from the charcoal burning or anything else, but due to air it will change. So 158 ppm of the air quality measurement. So this one is the experiment of flying drone in taking PCB air quality module using the app. So the drone will put on the PCB will put on the drone, and the drone will fly. So on the middle side, the picture we show the drone go to the uh, good area. There are no smoke. So this one is the good and healthy air. On the right side is the drone go to the have many smoke, so the air quality will be bad and unhealthy. So this one focus on the more smoke or no smoke. So we'll show the reading between different of these. So my future work is about the conclusion and recommendation. So conclusion, design of PCB board air quality sensor will make easier to plug in and plug out of UAV system. Different UAV have their own stable in using of air quality monitoring system. My recommendation, DHT plus DHT11 must have to be figured out again because the connections are not durable due to easier being broken. Non-MCU ESP8266 can take place of Arduino Nano because it is ideal for Internet of Things and can work with Arduino IDE. So that are for me. This is the reference that I show. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Dito mo.